Hi, my name is Jack Morgan. I'm with Bebo Pools in Southern California, and I'm going to show you how to replace a pool light gasket. Okay, before you attempt this repair, you want to make sure that you've turned off your circuit breaker to your light, so in the event that there's any electricity there, it would not shock you or harm you in any way. So you want to make sure that you have that turned off. So the next thing that you want to make sure that you have on hand when you're doing a repair of this nature is to go ahead and have a Phillips screwdriver, a number 2 head, and a straight screwdriver and a pair of vice grips so that you can hold on to the nut while you're unscrewing. So what I'm going to do now is you want to go ahead and put some kind of a blanket down on your deck so that you can keep yourself from getting wet, and you're going to lean over the edge of the pool. The typical depth of the light is around 18 inches, so your arms are going to have to be able to reach at least an 18-inch depth with the screwdriver in hand to unscrew the actual screw that holds it into the niche. And there, as you can see, there's enough cord here typically that they've left so that you can bring it up onto the deck so that you can now work on it. There is a clamp that holds the gasket compressed, and you can see right here, this is your screw and your nut, and you're going to take these apart. This clamp's going to come off. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a screwdriver and we're just going to use it as a leverage point here just to crack open the seal, and we're going to pull that off of our ring here. And now the gasket, you can see it's right here. And we're just going to stick our screwdriver in the slot here, and we're just going to very gently push this off. You got to remember, this has been in there a while, so it's probably going to be a little tight. So you're just going to want to very gently ease it out. You can hear it just cracked the seal. So now you should be able to go ahead and simply pull it out. And there's your gasket on your lens right here. You can see right here there is a little curved end on both sides, so you can't put this on wrong. It's either way. Just slip it into the groove here and just work it around till you have it completely seated all the way around. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll stick it back into the slot where it seats. As you can see, it just sits in there like that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll flip it over and we'll put it back into our light face here. We're going to put our compression ring back on. I'm going to start it with a couple of threads here. Just a couple starts right there, just so that you got it so it won't pull off. And then now I'm going to make sure I'm away from my screw here, so when I attach it, it won't be in this part right here won't be in front of that. There we go. All right. My name is Jack Morgan with Bebo Pools in Southern California, and that's how you replace a pool light gasket.